Hello everyone, welcome again. So today we are going to discuss some commonly used mathematical function which is most important in Excel. So let's start with that part. Now here let's start with the function that is called, let's suppose we have a number here and the number is 2.4568 or 4565. Now we want to round that number for 2 digits. So for round we can use the round function. So we use round. Inside round, first of all the number, so this is the number, and we want to round it for 2 digits, which means we want to round it for 2 digits, so it will only give the 2 digits after the decimal. Here you can see it is giving the 2.46. Now we have the another number. Let's say we have one more function here, in which let's suppose we have value 1 and we have value 2, in which the value 1 is 2 and the value 2 is 3. Now I want to calculate the power of that number. So for that we can use the power function. Inside power, first of all the number, that is 2, and then the power, that is 3, which means 2 to the power of 3, which will be 8. Talking about the third function, so we have a square function. Let's suppose I have a number, let's say 16, and I want to calculate the square root of that number. So for the square root we can use the SQRT function. Inside that I'll use the square root of this number. So 4 is the square root of 16. Talking about the fourth function, in which we can have the remainder of a number. So let's suppose if I have a numerator and I have a denominator. The numerator is 5 and the denominator is 2. And if I want to calculate the remainder, so that will be mod function, in which the number will be 5 and the divisor will be 2, which will give the remainder as 1. Talking about one more function, that is quotient. For that similarly, so for the quotient I will use equals to quotient function. The numerator will be again 5 and the denominator will be again 2, and the quotient will come to 2. So these are some commonly used functions in mathematics, and we can easily use it in Excel, and you can see how we can use that part. Okay guys, I hope that helps everyone. Bye bye, take care.